No, I'm not looking there. I'm actually looking there. You can cut and paste, right? Well, it is a recognition for the work that we are doing, not only me, but myself and the whole group and the whole HIU, I would say. And in a sense, it helps to hire the top students worldwide. So we get a lot of interest from the top young scientists that want to work in the battery field and join HIU. Well, as a scientist, my goal is to develop further the science and technology, especially about batteries, but also in some new fields which we are actually exploring now. And the target is also to educate young students and people that can then keep going with the research work. On my side, what I try to do is to make students very comfortable to work in the group and enjoy doing science, which is very important. Well, we are mostly focusing on batteries, especially lithium-ion batteries, try to make them more environmentally friendly and possibly using less toxic materials. But we are also working on new fields, new battery chemistries like sodium-ion, for example, but also aluminum, zinc, and so on. But most of the research is still focused on batteries. Yeah, we are now moving into maybe what is going to be the biggest problem for the next 30 years, actually, bound to the target of the European Union to decarbonize completely the European Union. And in order to do this, what we need to grant is the long-term energy storage, like seasonal energy storage. We are actually working on new approaches, which could be large-scale primary batteries, using, for example, sodium or aluminum to produce energy during the winter. Sodium and aluminum that have been maybe stored in summer when there is a lot of photovoltaic energy coming available. What we want to do is establish a network of scientists and engineers in order to address the problem I just mentioned, the long-term seasonal storage, which will be absolutely needed for the full decarbonization of Europe. And we need energy storage at every level. So from seconds to minutes, hours, days, months, and even a whole year, because we cannot be sure how cold or how will be this coming winter, for example, how much sun or wind will be available. And this means that we really need to store a huge amount of energy. Right now, what we are doing, we're using fossil fuels. So we just extract more fossil fuels from the ground and burn more fossil fuels and generate heat or electricity. But from the year 2050, the European Union has the target not to do this anymore. We want to fully decarbonize the European Union, and this means that we need to work on storage, energy storage. I mean, sodium-ion batteries have been around since many years. Very recently, there has been an announcement from CATL, a Chinese company. They claim that they could start producing sodium-ion batteries. However, due to the fact that sodium-ion batteries are less performant than lithium-ion batteries, practically they are still not convenient. Okay? But as soon as the cost of lithium-ion batteries will increase again because of the electric vehicle market growing, then sodium-ion batteries will become a player for especially stationary storage, house storage, home storage. Battery research is getting more and more industrial. So, it's more and more close to the market. And this is put putting a lot of stress on scientists. Okay, sometimes we have to be careful not to make promises which we know that cannot be maintained. This is, I would say, extremely important for a young scientist. Okay, don't be willing to claim something which is exceptional if you are not sure that you can actually make it. That's my main suggestion.